I'm telling you, this SIM ejector tool can be so frustrating to find when you need it. But with this, you get everything in one place. A fast charging cable, supporting 60W power, Type-C to Type-C, let me show you. Type-C to USB, for all your needs. Type-C to Lightning, perfect for iPhone users. And of course, Type-C to Micro USB, covering all charging ports. Plus, the SIM ejector tool is built right in, so whenever you need to swap SIM cards, it's there. The design is neat and organized, just wrap it up twice, and it's done. Super convenient, everything you need in one compact and well-organized kit. Just take out what you need, when you need it. Simply press, and it pops right out. Exclusive 30% discount today only. Place your order now to grab this deal.